ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your KL Rao and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. and for any questions, queries and support to elderly. I am K.L. Rao. Today I would like to speak on the subject of seniors are a very good resource to resolve the issues in the society. Here, what I would like to propose, I would like to take up one or two issues in the society. I would like to resolve the issues, bring a simple solution for those issues, and at the end of the talk, I would like to give one particular issue which you will be resolving and sending your suggestions to my email ID klrao@mail.com, klrao@mail.com. To that you will be sending your suggestions. So now today I have taken up two issues. One is school bag. School bag is found heavy and students find it difficult to carry the school bag to school. They get affected bodily pains, shoulder pain, back pain, etc. The school bag comprises of textbooks, notebooks and workbooks. So, how to resolve it? First of all, the material which we are using may be bag, may be books, maybe lunch box, maybe water bottle, everything, it should be lighter weight, number one. Number two, the student should try to carry as many less books as possible. Of course, he has to follow the timetable. Next, the books should have less pages in number. So, 400 pages textbook can be divided into 4 books of each 100 pages. Each book can be meant for each quarter. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Same way, notebooks also can be divided into 4. Instead of having 200 pages book, student can have 50 pages notebook. Once the notebook is over, he can say notebook 2 mathematics, notebook 3 English, like that. He can do it. So, book publishers should be advised or instructed well in advance to make every textbook into 4 parts. This is one way. The second way is subject-wise. Algebra, arithmetic, trigonometry, theoretical geometry. Like that, mathematics can be divided. Prose, poetry, grammar, languages book can be divided like that. Civics, history, geography, in this fashion, social studies can be divided. Last one, chemistry, botany, zoology, physics, like that, science book can be divided. So, either topic-wise or subject-wise or number of pages-wise, chapters-wise, each textbook should be divided into 4 parts. By this way, the student will carry 1/4 of weight of textbooks, 1/4 weight of notebooks, totally 1/4 weight of textbooks and notebooks. If safe drinking water is made available in the school, the student need not carry water bottle. If midday meal is served at the school, lunchbox need not be carried. So this way, student will definitely get relief by reducing the load of a school bag. This I have sent to union government, state governments and other countries also, and it is not an issue only for India, other countries also facing. So some people, they thought of doing having lockers. This is a costly proposition, buying lockers and keeping all the books there. So the suggested solution by me right now is a simple one. Now let us go to the issue of road accidents. Road accidents are taking place and growing in number year after year. And if the bread earner dies in a road accident, the family finds it tough to lead the life. So we have to reduce the road accidents to the maximum possible extent. So here, what is that can be done? That is overspeeding, overloading, overtaking, not following the rules of traffic, drunken driving, bad roads, vehicle not being in good condition, working condition, or the person who is driving is not in good condition, or while driving, speaking over phone, etc., are the causes. So accordingly, we can take measures to ensure that road accidents can be reduced. Speed control, load control, not overtaking, in case overtaking the right way, right direction, following the traffic rules, not boozing or drinking while driving, keeping the roads in good condition, keeping the vehicle in working condition, etc., enable us to reduce the road accidents. So now these are the two issues which could be resolved by us in a simple way. So there are several other issues which I can tell you. First one I'll give a lot of importance is atrocities against women. This issue kindly take up, all are educated, cultured, well experienced, and you try to resolve this issue and give me your suggestions to the mail ID which I have told, that is klrao@mail.com. You can send your suggestions. You are sparing time, you are trying to resolve the issue and sending email to me. All these things tell you are serious about this, and Nightingale Seniors Forum is being established right now. So all the seniors who are there in this particular Nightingale Forum, we can continue to share our ideas, thoughts. We can be in touch with each other and try to find out the simple solutions for the issues. Issue may be big, solution may not be. Solution may be simple. The way you have seen how simple is school bag issue being resolved in a simple way. Spending a lot of money for lockers is a costly proposition. But dividing the book into 4 parts is not that difficult. Even maybe textbooks, maybe notebooks can be divided. And what are the other issues troubling the society? Adulteration is there. Smuggling is there. Smuggling from forest. Elephant tusks, sandalwood, honey, tamarind, etc. smuggled, forest products are smuggled out. This is one type. Suicides are going on increasing. Farmers committing suicide, students committing suicide, weavers committing suicide, etc. going on increasing. We have to see what are the factors, why it is happening, how we can stop it, how we can reduce it, etc. can be done. Then fire accidents in hospitals and malls, etc. taking place, that also we can look into it. So kindly, I expect you will be sending solutions to my email ID. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. We love the talk on seniors are a very good resource to resolve the issues in the society. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.